Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. I'm back again with another hair video. Today we're doing a wig install. I haven't done a wig in a while, but let's get into it. First of all, you want to start by pinning your hair back that's on the wig so it doesn't fall and get in the way while you're trying to glue your hair down. Once you got the right placement and where you want your lace to lay or start at, you can fold it back and go ahead and apply that glue. But before you apply the glue, make sure you use alcohol and just wipe off any makeup or residue or anything around the area before you put that glue down. I actually did about 3 layers of glue. I don't know why I did that many layers because I don't plan on keeping this wig on for a while. But I did 3 layers, whatever. If you want your wig to last a little bit longer, you're going to do 3 to 4 layers. If you want your wig to last like a day or 2 or maybe just like 3 days, I would recommend doing like 1 layer or 2 layers of glue. Once you get that lace down, then you're going to melt it in by using a rat tail comb and just pushing the lace into the glue. Then you want to cut off that excess lace. Right here, I'm using a eyebrow razor to make the lace like a little raggedy. You don't ever want to cut in like a straight line. You're just going to be able to see your lace if you do that. So yeah, you want it to be like a little raggedy. So now we're going to get into styling. So I'm going to do my middle part because I'm doing 2 pigtails because y'all know that's my favorite. But I'm going to pluck some of the lace or some of the hairs out the front. My wigs actually come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Yes, you can get this wig pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Shop with me, www.reageslasia.store. I'm telling y'all, I really have the best quality. But anyways, I'm just hot combing the front to get it super flat before I put that rubber band in. And I'm using 2 rubber bands because one is just gonna pop. So make sure you use 2 rubber bands when you're doing these ponytails at the top. This was a super easy, super fun, super cute wig install for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Obviously you can tell I was feeling myself a whole bunch. But yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for new videos. Bye.